Apparently we made a mistake. Last week we tried to create a black to green HyperShift and you guys think we went about it completely wrong. Let me explain. So we tried to use the black to purple ZBP HyperShift as our foundation because when you overpigment the black to purple, a bunch of the green hues come through. And we thought maybe we can cancel the purple and exaggerate those greens to get a black to green HyperShift. But after reviewing all of the comments, you guys clearly think we should have used the ZBB black to blue HyperShift instead of the black to purple. And I actually pulled a bunch of suggestions out of the comments that we're going to test with you guys today. And all of these, Gabe, actually revolve around the idea of isolating the blue in the black to blue HyperShift and bringing in a yellow or gold element because the blue and the yellow would make green.
Makes sense.
So I'm going to share some of these, and actually after checking them out, some of these might actually work. So Dave thinks that we should take the black to blue HyperShift and add a little bit of yellow candy. So we've got some yellow candy here. Then Dot says we should take the black to blue HyperShift and add a gold or yellow element to it. So I've got some Nebula Yellow Pearl. And then Crispy says maybe try the ZBB instead of the purple. Tahitian green might pop off there. So your suggestion last week was to use the Tahitian green. And that one came pretty darn close. And this guy thinks that the Tahitian green and the ZBB might do even better. So we've got Tahitian green. Jonathan says that ZBB and ZTG might give the desired effect. So that's a greenish to blue HyperShift, maybe working together with the black to blue. And then Jay Hedges, ZBB, drop in a little ZTL, which is a very yellowish gold HyperShift. It's got a shot. And then finally Jefferson, he wants us to go in and use the black to blue with a yellow or gold interference pearl. He's thinking maybe the color powder would be too much, so I've got gold interference here. So we've got 6 incredible options. All of them, to be honest, might have a better shot than what we did last week. You think any of these are going to work?
I think so.
We got some work ahead of us. You ready to go?
I'm ready.
All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and I love taking viewer suggestions and putting them into practice because it gives you guys a little bit of skin in the game. Now, are any of these options more of a black to green HyperShift than what we did last week? I don't know, but there are some colors in here that I absolutely love. I'm going to show them to you right now. Leave a comment below and let me know which one's your favorite, and if any of them nail a black to green HyperShift, please let me know which one you think does as well. Now, if you want to change the color of your car, your wheels, or play with any of our paints, we've got some incredible stuff, both peelable and permanent. It's all in one place for you at DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had a blast on this one. I want to thank everybody for putting suggestions in the comments. I'll see you guys on the next one.